next Nanda sir is already here, so let's all give a huge round of applause to have him on the dais. He's going to talk about ERP benefits for freight forwarders. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, good evening all. I'm going to explain freight forwarding industry, so how to do the systematic work, okay. So everyone using the already Mr. Kumar told about the free tool, free softwares, okay. So also Mr. Vinod told ECRM sales module, also he explained the back office service. Parthiban explained the API integration and all. My side, I will give you some suggestion. If you are going to use the system properly, so you can take many MIS report from the system. So I will explain you the process flow, how to do in the system. So nowadays we are getting an inquiry from the customer, everyone using the Excel or you are not registering the system. Okay, if you are going to do in the system, if you are entering the inquiry in the system, we can generate many report from system itself. So okay, first, so in the fresh application we provided the inquiry detail. So we can enter the inquiry over giving the inquiry to inquiry receipt from the customer, which place to which place, everything you can register in the system. If you register, we can generate many report like inquiry status wise, how many inquiries confirmed, approved, cancelled, like that you can take the report. It's monthly or weekly, you can take the count. If you are using the outer system, you cannot count anything. So you can use system, you can generate report like status wise. Another one is product wise. So how many inquiry received, product wise you can generate the report. Like that you can generate the report. Next one is salesperson wise also you can generate the report. Once inquiry is done, after that you are going to give the quotation. Quotation also we are doing out of the system, many of the customer. If you use in the system, so you can track how many quotation given to customer. So data entry also you need to do. You don't want to do multi-time. Inquiry one time you are entering, same data you are going to use in the quotation, same quotation you are going to convert as a shipment. So data entry also you can reduce it. So quotation, if you do it, you can generate report like many reports you can generate, like client wise, how many quotation given, what is the quotation status wise, you can take the report. Next, quotation 2, once the quotation is confirmed, so we are going to create the shipment or booking, okay. So in the based on booking, we can generate many report. Once booking is generated, then we are going to generate the job. From the job, we can generate many report. Like if you are using the system means ERP means you can take department wise, like product wise, how many shipment received in the month or year, like that you can generate the report. One is department wise, you can generate the report. Next one is shipment status. So if you are going to enter in the system, you can take the report, how many how many shipments are delivered, how many shipments are sailed, how many in hand, so how many are booked, everything you can generate the report like this. Also, if it is a more than one branch, then you can see the report like that. Each branch, how many shipments received, like that, you can generate the report. Next one is carrier wise. So if you are using the system, you can generate carrier wise, how many shipments we are giving, like that you can generate the report. Next one is branch wise TUs also, you can take the report. These are all you can take it from the system. If you are going to use the system, you can measure the value, okay. Finally, in our fresh application, we have provided so many reports like cargo roll notice, delivery order. These are all formats already we provided. Many reports based on the customer, we provided the many reports available in the system. Thank you all.
Thank you, Nanda sir, for joining.